If you are sick and tired of those boring, ineffective home workouts, then you are going to enjoy my latest full body ladders to hell fat burning workout. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here. Now today, I'm quickly going to show you the exercises that we're going to do for this unilateral ladders to hell fat burning workout. Then I'm going to show you the workout structure, and then I'm actually going to do one full circuit with you so you know exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into it. The exercise we're going to do today is a unilateral metabolic flow exercise. That's what I call it anyways. So you're going to grab yourself a dumbbell, get into a push-up position, and then what you're going to do is a renegade row, just under one side. You're going to do a push-up, then you're going to jump up, you're going to do a curl and press, okay? So this is called a squat, curl, and press. Then you're going to go back down, kick your feet out, and you're going to do another renegade row, okay? And then obviously you're also going to do it on the other side. So you're going to go down, renegade row, down, jump up, squat, curl, and press, bring it back down. So that's the actual exercise. You're going to do it on the one side, then on the other side. But let's look at the actual workout structure. So you're going to do 5 reps under one side, okay? So a renegade row and a squat, curl, and press all in one, that's 1 rep. You're going to do 5 of those. Then you're going to rest 5 seconds, and you just count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to do 5 reps on the other side. Then you're going to count it out again, 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we go up the ladder. Now we're going to do 6 reps, rest 6 seconds, do 6 reps on the other side, rest 6 seconds, then we come back to the first one, 7 reps, rest 7 seconds, 7 reps on the other side, rest 7 seconds. Guys, this is a pretty tough workout structure, so remember, if you need more rest during that rest period, please do it. Your goal is to see how high you can get up this ladder in just 10 minutes. But warm up and take rest as and when you need it. So let me quickly take you through one complete circuit so you know exactly how this works. So there you go, guys. A lot of fun, extremely effective, and this one is going to help you get great results. It's so much fun as well. You need to continue thinking because you need to count. You're training your whole body, quads, chest, back, bicep, triceps, shoulders. It's a great exercise, these metabolic flow exercises, to burn a lot of calories. Now, guys, if you actually want to learn how to use this workout as part of a complete workout program, then you can go to 6weeksixpack.com and join my 100% free 21-day home fat loss circuits, where I show you exactly how to use my workouts here on my channel over a 21-day period to get the best possible results, including workouts like this one that you saw today. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Click on that like button, share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. I have another video for you that you can see on the screen right now that you can go and check out. And don't forget, if you want to start that 21-day program, click on the button that you can see in front of you right now where you can start your free 21-day program. Until the next one, keep it simple and have fun out there. Bye-bye.